Hey, fashionistas! Welcome back to Modern Girls. Ever struggled to transition your outfit from a busy workday to a fun night out? Don't worry, today's video is all about versatile fashion tips that will take you from day to night effortlessly. The power of basics cannot be underestimated. A sleek black blazer, a classic white blouse, and neutral-tone trousers or jeans form the foundation of any versatile wardrobe. These pieces effortlessly transition from day to evening, allowing you to create endless outfit combinations. For daytime, think light makeup, comfy flats or loafers, and minimal jewelry. Pair these with a structured bag and stylish sunglasses for that polished, office-ready look. Opt for breathable fabrics that keep you comfortable throughout those long hours. When it's time to shift gears, quick transformations are key. A bold lipstick or a smoky eye can elevate your look in seconds. Swap your flats for heels, add a statement necklace or a chic clutch, and trade your work tote for a trendy mini bag. And here's a pro tip, always keep a mini styling kit in your bag. A little perfume, a lip tint, and a hairbrush can work wonders. Choose outfits with removable layers or reversible designs to maximize your style options. Embrace the basics and watch your wardrobe transform. And that's how you slay the day and own the night, effortlessly. If you loved these tips, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fashion-forward content right here on Modern Girls.